Dal is a very tasty and versatile dish or ingredient. It is a term originated from the Indian subcontinent for dried pulses, also known as split peas, in different parts of the world. Today, I'll be preparing a simple recipe using dal. Welcome back everyone, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing for more content like this. So let's begin. Here are the ingredients I'll be using today for this recipe. I've got a pungla split pea, wash and drain, salt, onion, garlic, turmeric or dye, some peppers. Here I have some garlic and cumin or GEERAH that I'll roast at the end. So let's begin. Here I have about 6 cups of water. I'm going to add the split pea to this and all the other ingredients. Stir and let it come to a rapid boil. Cover and turn it down to a simmer. You can also use a pressure cooker to speed up this process. And this will cook for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. Now to get a smoother texture, I'm going to swizzle everything. You can also use a hand mixer for this process. This will grind everything up really small and nice. Give it a creamy taste. I'm using a small pan to show, just in case you don't have a metal ladle. So we're going to add the oil, garlic and cumin. We're going to let this toast for about a minute on each side. So we have to turn it just after a minute, so the other side could get toasted too. And then we're going to add this directly to the pot. You know, this dish could be eaten with rice, roti, or even as a soup. It is very creamy and nice. Just the way we like it. Thanks everyone for watching today's video, and please remember to hit that like button. Leave me a comment below with what you like to eat your dal with. And if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing so. Here are some of my other videos, and thanks again for watching.